Hi friend, I'm making a moon and branches in this project. Please subscribe and like this video. I'm using screwdriver of different sizes to scrubbing the branches. I'm using pencil flat brushes for painting the paper black. Okay, here I'm working on paper by using acrylic paint. We should cover it with black. We can also use black paper for this project. It is not necessary to use a black color. You can take any other color also, but I prefer black in this project. Do it slowly and let it dry for an hour for better result. So I'm finishing it. It is a fluid acrylic paint. I'm covering all the area. Yes. So let it dry for an hour for better result. So now I'm starting. I made a moon, a white color, using a white oil pastel. The surrounding of the moon should be light. Generally use white with cobalt blue. Don't miss any place empty. Try to cover all the place, black portion. In this project, you have to use thicker layer because I'm scrubbing for branches. I will take out the upper layer for branches, so I need a little bit thicker. Scrub like this. Now I'm using white and cobalt blue together to make it lighter. The circle of moon. Outer part should be yellow ochre and brown. Yeah, I covered all the place. Now I will blend it with paper. You can blend it by finger also, but in this project, because the color is so thick, layer is so thick, so we need a paper. Do it slowly, otherwise the color will come out. Yes, like this, blend all the area. Do it patiently. My paper is big, so it will take more time to complete. You can try any small paper. I'm using a scrubbing tool for making branches. For thicker branch, we will take the big screwdriver. Do it slowly. Take out the upper layer of color, so black will automatically come out. For thin branches, I am using a small tool. Do like as you do with pencil. Yes, like this, yes. Slowly and slowly down to bottom. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment in the comment box.